Sewer line replacement typically costs between $50 and $250 per linear foot, so a full residential replacement usually runs between $3,000 and $25,000, depending on the length and depth of the line, the pipe material you choose, and whether the crew has to dig an open trench or can use a trenchless method instead. Here's how the pricing actually breaks down so it makes more sense. The biggest cost driver usually isn't the pipe itself, it's the digging, because crews often have to break through your yard, driveway, or even a sidewalk to reach the old line, and that labor and equipment time adds up fast. A trick a lot of homeowners don't know about is called trenchless pipe lining or pipe bursting, where instead of digging a huge trench, the crew inserts a new liner or bursts the old pipe and pulls a new one through the same path, which can cut your total cost by a good chunk and finish the job in a day instead of a week. Depth matters too, because a line buried 6 feet down costs a lot more to access than one sitting 2 feet under the surface, so always ask how deep your line runs before getting quotes. Pipe material changes the price as well. Older cast iron and clay pipes are often pricier to match or remove, while modern plastic pipes tend to be cheaper and more durable. One thing almost nobody mentions is that you should always get a camera inspection first. This usually costs somewhere between $100 and $500, but it shows exactly where the damage is, so instead of replacing the whole line, you might only need a small partial repair, which could save you thousands of dollars. One common mistake is assuming every sewer problem needs full excavation, when a lot of damage is actually localized and a partial trenchless repair could handle it, so always ask for a camera inspection before agreeing to a full replacement. Another big misconception is thinking the cheapest quote is automatically the best deal, but a shockingly low bid often means the contractor is skipping permits or using thin-walled pipe that won't last, so make sure every quote includes permit costs and pipe details in writing. People also forget that most cities require a permit and an inspection for sewer work, and skipping that step can cause real problems later when you try to sell your home, so always confirm your contractor is pulling the proper permits before work begins. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and send their estimates.